Tired of waiting until payday to enjoy the things you need? You're not alone. But how do you actually qualify for those instant payment services like Beforepay? Let's dive in. Imagine this: it's Friday night, you're craving pizza, but your bank account is looking a little bare. You could wait until Monday, or you could use an instant payment service like Beforepay to get that pizza tonight. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the catch: not everyone qualifies. These services are designed to help responsible employees get paid early. They essentially act as a bridge between your paycheck and your immediate needs. But to use them, you need to meet certain criteria. Think of it like applying for a credit card. There are requirements to ensure you can responsibly use the service. So, what are the key factors that determine your eligibility for Beforepay? Employment status. The most crucial factor is your employment status. Beforepay typically requires you to be a full-time or part-time employee with a consistent paycheck. Gig workers or freelancers might have limited options, but some services are starting to cater to this growing segment of the workforce. Income level. While there's no strict income threshold, a stable and consistent income is essential. The service needs to assess your ability to repay the advance when your paycheck arrives. Employment history. A solid employment history with a consistent track record is highly valued. Frequent job changes can raise concerns about your financial stability. Credit history. While not always a primary factor, your credit history can play a role. A good credit score can improve your chances and potentially unlock better terms. Bank account information. You'll need an active bank account to receive your paycheck and repay the advance. Direct deposit is usually preferred. Tips for improving your chances. Build a strong employment history. Stay at your current job for a reasonable period. Demonstrate reliability and a strong work ethic. Maintain a consistent income. Avoid unnecessary expenses and create a budget to manage your finances effectively. Improve your credit score. Pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and limit new credit applications. Fees and repayment terms. Understand the fees associated with the service and the repayment schedule. Make sure you can comfortably repay the advance on time to avoid incurring additional charges. Alternatives to consider. Explore other options like payday loans or personal loans, but be mindful of the potential risks and higher costs. Qualifying for instant payment services like Beforepay depends on several factors, primarily your employment status, income stability, and employment history. By meeting these criteria and understanding the terms of the service, you can gain access to the financial flexibility you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.